What is up, everybody? Happy December 25th, the U.S. federal holiday. Hopefully everybody's enjoying whatever you guys got going on this special day. That was a congressional bill that passed in the 1800s. But yeah, it's totally not for anything religious or anything like that, because that would be against the First Amendment. Anyway, I have a special surprise for everyone. Every Bionic and every Polaris, starting now on Christmas Day all the way until New Year's Day, get ready for this, will be half off. Our biggest sale ever. 50% off of the Polaris and the Bionic. My two favorite personal Balisongs, obviously, for great reason. And if you guys are curious as to which one to get, if you can only get one, which now would be more than the best time to ever get one in your life, considering this huge price reduction, which we will be only doing for a short amount of time. But anyway, from Christmas Day, which is right now after you see this video, if you're seeing this video, it's already happening. Go to balisongflipping.com, pick up a Polaris or a Bionic. In my opinion, I've had a video on this before. The Polaris, to me, I think flips better, has more grip, definitely better material, and a little bit better design, in my opinion. And then the Bionic, to most people, sounds better. It's got a little more heft to it. It's not like, you know, extremely heavier, but it's definitely noticeable. But yeah, a lot of people like the Bionic as well. I mean, this thing does sound and flip really great. And it comes in 4 different colors, and the Polaris comes in 3 different colors. So if you guys are interested in picking any of these up, balisongflipping.com. I'll leave a link in the description, as well as a link to another video where I compared these two. So if you haven't seen that and you're looking as to which one to get and you want my opinion on it, I'll leave that in the description down below as well. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Yeet. Yeet.